if you're getting this message from your Blender software which say Blender has stopped working, now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. The best way to fix this error is to first identify the problem through the crash log. Click view crash log and check what the issue is. So from the error message here, if you see Blender has stopped working, you can just click here view crash log. Since the problem might be different from your PC, so just click view crash log. Once you view that crash log, try to check what the issue has been highlighted there and then try to check what the problem. For example, you can see the crash log may look like this. If you don't know how to interpret those messages, you can just simply copy all the crash log that we've seen there from top to bottom. After copying all the crash logs, go to any AI chatbot. For example, I prefer to use Gemini, but you can use also ChatGPT. Paste those crash log from the AI and then ask it that my program, which is Blender, is crashing and giving me Blender has stopped working. Here the crash log, and the AI can tell you what the problem is. Now the problem may be unique from PC to PC, so try to follow those guides which have been provided there and then try to check if the issue has been fixed. Now if you view the crash log maybe but you're still experiencing the same issue, try switching from Vulkan to OpenGL. To do so, you can open the software which is Blender, select here from edit and then select preferences. On the preferences, click on system and then you'll see here on the back end. So if it's set to Vulkan, make sure to switch to OpenGL. After switching to OpenGL, try to check if the problem has been resolved. So try switching from Vulkan to OpenGL, then try to check if the issue has been fixed. If you're still experiencing the same problem, make sure to update your GPU driver. Now this fixes for most people. This depends whether you're using NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. You can follow these links to update drivers. I'll put them on the description of this video. Or if you do have NVIDIA application, you can open it. If you have AMD Adrenaline software, open the AMD Adrenaline software. If you have NVIDIA, if you're using NVIDIA GPU, open the NVIDIA GPU just like so. Also open the NVIDIA application, select drivers. On the drivers section, click this spinning cycle to check for any updates. If any updates are available, it will tell you here to download them. Make sure to download those drivers, then make sure to install them. After installing them, try to relaunch the Blender software by closing and then reopen it and then try to check if the issue has been fixed. If you have a dedicated GPU, for example like NVIDIA or AMD, but Blender still errors, set Blender to use high performance GPU. So if you do have dedicated GPU but you're still experiencing this Blender has stopped working, on the search bar here search for graphics. So open this graphics settings and then you'll see the list of application here. Now look for Blender. If you don't see Blender, you can add desktop application and then make sure to follow the directory from the Blender which is located here. Mostly is located through directory which is C program files, Blender Foundation, Blender 5.0. Then you can select the application and then add. It will be added from the list here. Now you'll see Blender here. Now it's said just like so. If you have dedicated GPU or NVIDIA AMD, but Blender still errors, set Blender to use high performance GPU. So you can select this drop down menu here and then you'll see GPU preferences. Make sure to select high performance GPU. So make sure to select high performance. After selecting high performance, try to relaunch your Blender and then try to check if the issue has been fixed. Also, if you're still experiencing the same problem, ensure that your operating system is up to date. Windows updates often include fixes and optimization for compatibility with newer games and apps. How to check for updates? You can go to settings, update and security, then select Windows update. Click check for updates and install any pending updates, or you can search here for Windows updates. And then open this check for updates. And then you can try to wait for the checking for updates to finish. If any updates is available, make sure to download them and then make sure to install them. As you can see here, I do have the latest update on my Windows. But the best way to fix this error is to first identify the problem through the crash log. Click view crash log and then check what the issue is. If you don't know how to interpret the crash log, just copy those crash logs, go to any AI chatbot, for example like Gemini, paste those crash log and then ask them what the problem on my Blender, and then it can ask you to troubleshoot the problem. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope this also helped you, and see you next time.